Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the Arabic vocabulary practice, the 7-day challenge to build your Arabic sentences, and also an introduction to the complete Arabic vocabulary build-up course. The complete Arabic vocabulary build-up course is built upon your request. The link is in the description box below if you want to learn more about this course. The lessons are easy and fun because you learn them through visuals, and you will be also listening and learning through context and phrases. After that, you can test your knowledge and get instant feedback. And if you are one of the 50 early birds, you will start speaking modern standard Arabic in no time. This is day number 3. ضمائر المخاطبة المتصلة مع المفرد المذكر. Now, we agreed that مفرد is singular and مذكر is masculine, and then ضمائر means pronoun. So the new words here are المخاطبة and المتصلة. كتاب مفرد مذكر. كتابي my book. كتابنا our book. That's what we learned in the previous lesson. In this lesson, we will add ضمائر المخاطبة, the second person pronoun. ك for masculine and كي for feminine. Now remember, كتاب, it ends with تنوين. Nothing after تنوين. It comes at the end of the word. But when we attached this pronoun, the tanween is gone. كتابو ك كتابو كي. So اسم, name, my name اسمي, our name اسمنا. Then your name masculine اسمك, your name feminine اسمكي. Now let's do this with all the words that we learned before. دفتر notebook. دفتري my notebook. دفترنا our. دفترك your masculine. دفترك your feminine. قلم with تنوين. قلمي with كسرة before ياء. قلمنا قلمك قلمك. Now instead of saying هذا قلم, now you have 5 sentences. هذا قلم, this is a pen. هذا قلمي, this is my pen. هذا قلمنا, this is our pen. هذا قلمك, this is your pen masculine. هذا قلمك, this is your pen feminine. مكتب. هذا مكتب. هذا مكتبي. هذا مكتبنا. هذا مكتبك. هذا مكتبك. باب. هذا بابي. هذا بابنا. هذا بابك. هذا بابك. هذا جدار. هذا جداري. جدارنا. جدارك. جدارك. So that's the sentence. Now the sentence is longer. It's not just هذا كتاب. It's هذا كتاب and another noun. This is a noun. This is not just a particle. This is a noun because this is a pronoun, and pronouns in Arabic are nouns. هذا كتابك. Now we have 3 words. هذا كتابك. هذا كتابك, your feminine. So هذا اسمك. هذا اسمك. هذا دفترك. هذا دفترك. هذا قلمك. هذا قلمك. هذا مكتبك. هذا مكتبك. هذا بابك. هذا بابك. هذا جدارك. هذا جدارك. هذا, add the word, don't forget the kasra before ya. Please write them down. هذا and then na. Don't forget the word will end with dhamma. With ka, masculine. The word here also will end with dhamma. The same with ki. The word here will end with dhamma. Now let's join. قلمي. قلمي means my pen. كتاب, ending with tanween, that means any book. A book. كتاب, book. بابنا. بابنا, bab means door, and this na means our door. دفترك, your notebook, and this key is feminine. مكتبك, your desk, and this ka is masculine. Don't forget to join the 1-week trial of this course and be one of the 50 early birds. I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.